Like previously stated, an estimate of 500 homes and businesses affected due to Sunday's tornado that hit the city. Our Courtney Chandler on the grounds to talk to folks about the storm and has this report.
To take a look at my view right here in Cairo, Georgia. As you can see, power lines continue to be down, debris still hanging on them or in the middle of the road. And many people I talked to say this storm has caused more damage than what Hurricane Michael did just months ago.
Darkness because our power was out, so it was pretty dark.
Cairo resident Charles Stafford said that was the view when the tornado hit the town. And he said it sounded something like a train.
I remember kids went to the restroom, and as soon as I prayed, I didn't hear the train sound anymore. So God is good. You know, it devastated houses, but it wasn't no casualties over here, so that's a good thing.
When it happens to you, it's the worst.
Really. Doug Taylor's hydraulic business took a direct hit from the tornado, leaving rubble and a roof torn into pieces. Despite the devastation to his business, Taylor Hydraulics plans to remain open.
Our helpers back there repairing some stuff now that folks had to have, so we can't give that up. So keep on trucking.
Now, many of these roads will continue to be blocked off as crews continue to pick up that debris on the road. So if you don't have to be on the road, make sure you stay off them. If you do, make sure you find an alternate route. Keep it local in Cairo, Georgia. Courtney Chandler, WDHN News 18. I want you all